Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix camera app keeps crashing on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, disable the camera app from the background apps. Then go into the settings, scroll and find the apps. It's right here on the top. You have the camera and recently opened apps, but if not, just see all and here find the camera. Then we should have the storage and cache, clear cache. Then restart your phone and here you go. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.